Okay, so here I have a single chime horn. This is a kind of a small size single chime. It's got a polycarbonate diaphragm in it, single diaphragm. It's in there pretty tight. And this plays a high E, like the 5H bell on a third generation K5LA would. It plays a high E at around 660 Hertz. The inside is beveled out to help the sound waves travel from the pipe to the funnel flare and spread out to help increase the volume a bit. And this has a 1/4 inch universal quick connect adapter. And I'll be blowing this thing 110 feet away at 60 psi. Excuse my neighbors for yelling, by the way.